wake up at 6 o'clock every morning. I brush my teeth after I wake up. Brushing keeps my teeth healthy and strong.
This breakfast looks amazing.
It really does.
I love the pancakes. Me too.
I'm glad.
Yay, syrup.
Here you go, buddy.
I love our family breakfast.
Me too, Mommy. I clean my desk before I study. All clean, now I can focus.
I relax by watching TV.
I relax when I listen to soft music.
I spend time with my family every weekend.
We sure do.
It's the best part of my week.
I clean my room on the weekend. First, I'll dust the bookshelf. Now for my desk.
I cook dinner every evening.
I clean the kitchen after I cook. First, I wash the pan. Scrub, scrub, scrub. All clean.
This looks amazing. How is everything? It's delicious, honey. So fresh.
I love the pancakes. The fruit is great. Yeah. This is so yummy.
I'm glad, sweetie.
It really is.
I like it too.